Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I'll be covering my favorite protein supplements by cost, macros, and uses. By the end, you'll know which one is right for you. This is one of my favorite proteins. This is a protein bar by Quest, and the cost per serving is $2.50 to about $3. The macros are 21 grams of protein, 21 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat. As far as protein bars, a little on the expensive side, but it's the most balanced protein. If you're someone looking to add in more fiber, you're looking at about 50% of your daily fiber just from this one bar. You can place this in your purse or your backpack and you'll be ready to go. So this protein is just straight up basic whey protein. And if you've been to Sprouts, you probably walked by the bins and didn't realize they had protein. The cost per serving is only 82 cents. The macros, 26 grams of protein, 1 gram of carbs, 0 fat. You're looking at 110 calories per serving. So this protein powder is from a company called Vital Proteins, and this is actually a collagen-based protein. The cost per serving is 88 cents to $1.45. The macros, 18 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, 0.5 grams of fat, and 2 grams of fiber. This is going to be 90 calories per serving. So the benefits of this protein are going to be joint health, skin, hair, and nails. This is best for someone who wants to add protein to their coffee, sports drinks, tea, you name it. So now we have the prepared version of the Orgain protein. The cost per serving on this is $1.66 to $2.50. The macros are 16 grams of protein, 32 grams of carb, 7 grams of fat, and 1 gram of fiber. 250 calories per serving. As far as the taste, you can expect a smooth, creamy type taste. This is going to be really convenient, and it's going to be best for people who want protein on the go. So we have the Orgain organic protein, and this is plant-based. And if you guys shop at Costco's, I'm pretty sure you've seen this. Cost per serving, you're looking at $1.45 up to about $1.58. Protein, you're looking at 21 grams of protein. Carbohydrates, 20. Fiber and fat, you're looking at 5 grams. 160 calories per serving. This is going to be best for people who want to add variety to their smoothies and protein shakes. All right, so next up we have the Premier Protein. The macros on this are 30 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fat, 1 gram of fiber. You're looking at 160 calories per serving. The benefits of this shake are high protein, and the taste is going to be smooth and creamy. This is best for individuals that are looking for a high protein shake, but less carbs. In summary, I would say the protein at Sprouts is going to be the most affordable. So if you're looking for a protein that's going to save you the most money, that's the one I would pick. If you're someone that's looking for the most balanced and on the go, I'd recommend the Quest bar. And if you're someone with a little more time on your hands and you spend more time in the kitchen, I'd recommend the Orgain protein powder. I know this may seem like a lot of options, but for my lifestyle, I really don't eat meat. So I need something to where when I do have time, I can make a protein shake or a smoothie at home, or when I'm on the go, I can grab a Quest bar and I can make sure that whatever I'm doing, I can hit my macros, I can stay on top of my fitness goals. If you found this information helpful, definitely hit the like button. If you have any additional questions, you can leave a comment down below. You guys have a good day.